Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about body cream for dry skin. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to use it, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. What I have here is some body cream, okay? Now this says body cream with argan oil, and I'm going to be using this body cream to show you sort of how to use it to help your dry skin. If you have dry skin, body cream can definitely be a good thing. You can go ahead and look at whatever kind you want to get. There are so many options with different ingredients and different things in them. But yeah, you can choose whatever one you want to get. But essentially, once you've chosen your cream, this is how to use it and how to apply it to use it to get rid of that dry skin. So I'm going to open this up. I'm just going to tear it open over here. Just give me a moment. I'm going to create an opening, and now I'm going to get some of the body cream out. So you don't need a ton. It all depends on how much you want to use and how dry the skin is. I would always recommend starting with less and then adding more if you need to. So I'm going to get some body cream out of here. Just give me a moment. I'm going to squeeze some out of here. There it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put some on my finger. We're going to start off with this amount and we'll see where we go from here. So this right here is a very generous amount of body cream. Okay. So something like this, I'm probably going to end up using this like on the entirety of like my forearm over here. So what you want to do is get the body cream of your choice, get a small amount of it. This is probably even too much, to be honest with you. So even a bit smaller than this, and you want to apply it to the area that has dry skin. So let's say my forearm had dry skin. I would take the cream and I would apply it to the forearm with the dry skin. Now you want to basically spread it before you rub it in. You want to spread it as wide as you can get it, essentially. So I'm going to just spread it as wide as I can get it now. Okay. And you'll know that, you know, it's as wide as it can go when you basically stop feeling it spreading. So I can still feel it spreading right now, which is why I'm still going further and further in bigger circles. Okay? So now I'm basically feeling it stop spreading. So now that I felt it stop spreading, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it in. So we're going to go with circular motions and you're going to rub it in. Now this accomplishes essentially two things. It gets that cream into your skin, and it also does a good job at maybe hopefully starting to remove that dry skin. It doesn't mean the dry skin's going to just fall off. That's not what I'm talking about. It's not going to remove it fully, but it's going to start to help remove the dry skin, because the dry skin is, you know, eventually hopefully going to just fall off, and you don't want to sort of rub it off, but you want to just sort of almost like give it a nudge to start to make its way off of your body whenever it's ready. So by rubbing in circular motions, you get the cream in there, okay, which rejuvenates the skin, and you sort of, I believe, you know, help the skin that's dry, that's gonna fall off. You help it sort of start making its way to get to the point where it's gonna fall off naturally. You want it to fall off by itself. You don't want to rub it off, you want it to fall off by itself. So I'm just going in circular motions, and essentially you want to stop rubbing when it gets a little bit harder to rub. So right now, it's more tedious to rub. So that's my cue to know that it's time to stop rubbing the lotion in. That's when I know the body cream has gone in. And if you have some excess on your fingers, all you can do is literally just kind of rub it in your hands, and you know, you could just rub a few times, and already I can feel that my hands are it's more tedious to rub them together. So I know that that lotion and that cream is already sunk in as well. And that's basically it. My forearm looks so vibrant. I mean, it's in the sunlight over here. You can't see because when it's in the sunlight, it's off camera, but it looks so vibrant when I compare the two. Like the one that has oh my goodness, the one that has the body cream is so much more elastic. It's so much more vibrant. That's amazing. Anyways, that's how to basically use body cream to hopefully help you. I mix those two words together. I'll say it properly. That is how to use the body cream to hopefully help you get rid of your dry skin and help rejuvenate your skin to make it less dry in the future. And that's it. You can use the cream of your choice. You can use it as often as you want to. You can be the judge of those things. But once you've chosen the cream and you know how often you're going to use it, that's how to actually use it. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.